at the Smithy's restaurant, and I think they're not open yet. Huh. Nobody's here. I don't really know what time they're open. Smithy's. Yeah. It's amazing, folks. Minor X is going crazy. Last night, people are signing up like crazy. Yeah, if you saw this video, I think you should join our group. Make extra income, make Bitcoin every day. We're in the perpetual moving machine business. A perpetual moving machine business. Perpetual moving train business. Okay? The train that goes around the world without stopping. That's what we are. Like the midnight. Oh, I don't know. I forgot that movie. The Midnight Train. Something. A train that goes around the world and doesn't stop. I think we're in that business. Just a matter of time you ride a train and it doesn't stop. It doesn't stop creating Bitcoin every day. We are on that business. Yes, they're open now. I'm going in. Is it open?
Yeah, I'm opening up right now.
Oh, okay. It's good. Thank you. Yeah. Where do you want me to sit?
You can sit wherever you like.
Yeah. Maybe here. Big breakfast. So this is a good place to go eat breakfast. Better than A&W, of course. For sure. Car. I think I'm gonna go shopping later on. You gotta have orange juice. Yeah, it's been a while. I haven't had Facebook. It's been what, 5 months now that I don't have Facebook, and it's really good. It's a healing. I'm healing now. Before I'm always glued on my phone, updating my Facebook, and yeah, it consumes my time and energy on Facebook. Now I don't have Facebook. It's really good. I can sleep better. I don't have to think what's going on in the world. I don't really care. Yeah. Try to delete your Facebook and just do WhatsApp. You can also always connect me to WhatsApp. You know, you can chat in WhatsApp. I'll do YouTube, by the way. I think it's better for me to do YouTube because I can monetize what I upload in my daily life. I haven't washed my face yet, so don't worry about my face. I'm just here at Smithy's having breakfast because I'm tired of A&W. Although you only spend $13 in A&W, but it's not a good place to eat. Here I have the calmness and the freedom, the you know, security. Looks really good. Thank you. Looks good. Crap. strawberry crepe. Really good.
Is everything tasting good? So
Yeah, very good. Thank you.
Okay, perfect. No worries.
You look fancy for work. Carhartt stuff for work. I really want one of these too. If only they come in medium. Yeah. We are here at Sport Check. This is a Sport Check store. Yeah, it's Sport Check Carhartt. So we just came from Sport Check and spent $726 for Carhartt stuff. That's a lot of money for Carhartt. $726 for a bag of clothes from Carhartt. It's okay because this is free. This is free Bitcoin, folks. Free Bitcoin. Why not, right? Why not spend the money on Carhartt? So join my business today. I get free Bitcoin daily. Yeah, I'm going back to the mall and buy some shoes or boots, whatever I can find unique. You know, anything fancy, I'll buy it. Thank you. Okay, we just bought a bunch of Carhartt stuff. This is the khaki shorts and the brown. This is size medium, and this is size 32. Okay. Nice comfy pants. Relaxed fit force pant. Relaxed fit size 32 by 32. Size 32. He's almost like a cowboy attire, or rugged, almost like a denim long sleeve, medium size. I hate stickers. I don't know why they put stickers on it. Why would they put stickers on it? I don't need that sticker. So yeah, this is a very strong, almost like a denim for work. This is for work or concert, whatever. And so this is a size medium Carhartt jacket. This is good for like early morning walk, or winter, like working in the, going to work sites, like doing carpentry jobs. You know, if you're cold, I think this is good. I want to make this become vintage, so I bought it now. Then in the future, this is gonna be vintage 10 years from now. Yeah, 10 years from now, it's gonna be vintage. Having breakfast at Smithy's.
Troublemaker. A little troublemaker, him.
Oh, he said Deerfoot was backed up or something.
Oh, okay. Do you want to have some while you wait?
Yeah, please.
No problem.
We got some Levi's here. We get some Levi's. We get some Levi's long sleeves and some camouflage. Why not? Helly Hansen camouflage. And this one here is Denver X. 32 by 10. 32 waist. Okay, so we went there on Mark's work warehouse next to Dollarama. Anyway, it's only what, 10 a.m. today? What time is it? What time is it? It's 9:51 a.m. I just came from breakfast and went to Mark's work warehouse to get some new clothes. This is the life of a crypto nomad, VIDZMO. I'll take a nap and wake up 3:30 and see my Bitcoin grows again every day. 3:30 is the payday every day. So if you saw this video, I want you to sign up on my link, and we'll help each other build a community of crypto nomads. Thank you. Have a nice day.